Hello guys, wanna set up automatic astronomy themed live wallpapers on your Android device? Here's an easy way how to do it. So firstly, let's install the needed app, open the Play Store, then open search by clicking on it, and here in the search tab, type in Daily APOD Wallpaper. Click on the search button and this is the app that we need. Here click install and wait for the installation. So when the app is installed, click open and wait until it loads itself. And here click on this icon and click wallpaper. And let's check how it works. So as you can see, everything works perfectly, and let's check other features of the app. So open the app and here click on this small icon. And here let's select any other date, for example 16th of April, and tap OK. And now as you can see, we have the completely other image of some space object. And again, to set it as wallpaper, click on that icon and then again on wallpaper. And by the way, here will be written the description about your current wallpaper, which I find very cool. And in the settings, you can change some options like automatic checking, image filtering, or some targets, notifications, and all of that stuff. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your new wallpaper.